desde que yo nací. Ustedes son mis hijas, soy su mami.
Wow. Bro. To be honest, this woman is a phenomenon. She really is, bro. I mean, like, I've enjoyed her song, her performance. She have this gorgeous look that I really like. She's so sexy. I mean, like, she brought to my attention that I want to react to more of her songs because I received a suggestion that I should check out this particular song. It's called Bxtch. Yeah. And the name of that person is called Yailin La Mas Viral. I heard that she is Tekashi 69's girlfriend. Hey bro, you have a wonderful girlfriend, my G. And I'm here to tell you, I'm from Jamaica and I'm asking for your permission, my G, if I could react to her music and I could tell her that she's sexy. That's on the behalf of you, bro? Okay, yeah, thank you. Okay guys, so I'm from Jamaica, greetings from Jamaica. If you guys do enjoy this reaction, thank you so much. Okay, so guys, without further ado, let's see what's up. Let's see how well she'll deliver this one, because I want to know if this song is even hotter than the last one I've reacted to, right? So
Papi, de menos siempre.
yo, look at these boobs, bro. Look at these boobs, bro. I mean, like, she's so cute, my G. She's so cute.
Una bad bitch, una hijo de puta desde que yo nací. Ustedes son mis hijas, soy su mami. Mientras hablan sigo encima de los rankings.
Yo, I want to pound her, bro. I mean, like, bro. Yo, she's gorgeous, dog. She's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. I mean, like, bro, look at this body, bro. I mean, like, her. And what I like about her is that her lips. I mean, like, she do a thing with her mouth, like she leans her mouth like this, guys. That little way, she's sexy with it, bro. She's very sexy with it.
En esto sigo siendo el dolor. Cuando llego nunca aguanto la presión. Todo loco por probar una porción.
Guys, someone please take me to Dominican Republic. I mean, like, she's a Dominican. She's from Dominica, right? And I'm from Jamaica. Damn. Damn, bro. Oh my. Wow. Damn. She's so hot, bro. She's so hot.
Me pongo bien loca y ando ready pa' cualquiera. En una cartera tengo más que tu carrera. Tú no tienes pa' guerrear conmigo la noche entera.
Wow. The music is phenomenal. Her voice is phenomenal. Her energy, her vibe is phenomenal. Yo, I'm thinking that I would grab her, hug her tightly, and squeeze her tightly. Damn, she's sexy, bro.
Llegamos plop plop, la botella la explotamos donde quiera. Teta, culo, diamante locuro. Yo no soy cualquier pero ese tipo está chulo.
Wow, she's definitely that bad bitch, bro. I mean, like, she can't be tamed, bro. She can't be tamed. Ain't no freaking way this female can be tamed, bro. But for me, I would cage her, bro, to tame her. Man! Yo, she's hot, bro.
Yo te lo robo, pero con eso me curo. Yo te lo aseguro. Con esa cara y bellaquita nunca me he hecho nada y me veo bonita. Y en persona estoy más linda que por Insta.
Come here! Come here. Come here. Come here to me. Please, just come. I want to say something to you. Oh my, you're gorgeous, man. Damn, she's gorgeous, bro. Damn. Uh, 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 uh.
A ti lo que te quilla, que yo sin maquillaje soy bonita. ¿Cuál es la aplicación que tú te editas? Papi, de menos siempre he sido una bad bitch.
Wow. 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 I love her. I think I love her. You know why? Because I love her music. Not like the literal love, but I love the way oh she's just being herself. I love the way oh she's just doing her. Right? And once you are doing yourself, no one can tell you what to do, when to do it, how to do it. You are certainly your own boss. And she's a boss right here, bro. I mean, like, can you please let me be one of her workers, man? I want to be the manager. I want to be working next to you because you know why? I'll be watching you like every step of that darn way, man. You are so freaking sexy. You are so freaking cool. You are so freaking amazing.
Una hijo de puta desde que yo nací. Ustedes son mis hijas y su mami. Mental la sigo encima de los rankings. En esto sigo siendo el dolor.
Bro, even though I'm not understanding what language is saying, but the music speaks, bro. It's an amazing music, bro. I mean, like, she's hot, bro.
Cuando llego nunca aguanto la presión. Todo loco por probar una porción. Aunque hablen y comenten de mí.
Yo! Damn. Damn, bro. She's freaking amazing, dog. To be honest.
Ando bien fuleteado por ahí. Yo no creo en guantes, yo no creo en maleante. Soy una estrella y del cielo caí. Aunque hablen y comenten.
Wait, is that guy 6ix9ine, bro? Is that guy in the pink with the black and white top and the pink top, bro? Is that guy 6ix9ine? Because, bro, you're having a sexy girl, bro. She's sexy. She's really sexy, bro. Me like, damn, look at those hips, bro. Those hips are hipping, my G.
De mí. Ando bien fuleteado por ahí. Yo no creo en guantes, yo no creo en maleante.
Whoa, I gotta say, she's amazing. She's really amazing. 6ix9ine, my bro. Please take care of her, my G. She's a phenomenon, my G.
Soy una estrella y del cielo caí. Papi, de menos siempre he sido una bad bitch.
Yo, I love the video. I love the video so much. Guys, thank you so much for your suggestion, right? It's a very great video.
Una hijo de puta desde que yo nací. Ustedes son mis hijas y su mami.
Wow. Bro. Bro. Darn it! Ah! Whoa. Check that ass, bro. Check that ass, bro. Damn.
La sigo encima de los rankings. En esto sigo siendo el dolor. Cuando llego nunca aguanto la presión.
Bro, those lips, bro, look so suckable, bro. And she's just playing with those lips like that, bro. I mean, like, damn.
Todo loco por probar una porción.
Bro, she's killing the beat, bro. I mean, like, damn. I gotta say, that was a very great show to watch. I mean, like, guys, thank you so much for your suggestions. If you guys did enjoy this reaction, please don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash that subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video.